Hey everyone! Waving hand, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate summer vacation routine for kids and teens aged 10 to 17 years old, step by step. Whether you're looking to have fun, be productive, or just stay off your phone a bit more, this video is for you. 100 points. Make sure to stick around till the end for a bonus tip that'll make your summer even more awesome. Step 1. Start your day right by waking up between 7 o'clock and 8 a.m. It doesn't have to be super early, it's summer, after all, but waking up at a reasonable time keeps your body and brain active. Make your bed right after getting up, it instantly makes you feel accomplished. Step 2. Morning movement. Do 15 to 30 minutes of light movement, like yoga, a short walk, cycling, or even dancing to your favorite music. It wakes you up and boosts your energy. Step 3. Healthy breakfast. Fuel your body with a healthy breakfast. Think fruits, eggs, oats, or smoothies. Try to avoid sugary stuff that makes you sleepy again. Step 4. Learning time. Use an hour every morning to learn something new, whether it's reading a book, practicing a skill, or watching educational YouTube videos. Books, ideas, learn basic coding, play an instrument, improve your drawing, or start a summer journal. Step 5. Chores and responsibilities. Spend a little time helping out at home. Trust me, your parents will love it and it builds responsibility. Step 6. Creative time. This is your creative zone, do something artsy or fun that makes you happy. Step 7. Lunch and nap break. Take a break for lunch and nap to recharge your energy to be more productive. Step 8. Screen time. Yes, screen time is okay, but keep it limited to 1 hour. Pick your favorite show or game and enjoy it guilt-free. Step 9. Outdoor/physical activity. Later in the afternoon, go outside. Play sports, ride your bike, go swimming, or just hang out with friends. Step 10. Dinner and family time. Dinner time is perfect to share your day and connect. Keep phones away. Step 12. Night wind down. Wind down by reading, journaling, or doing skincare. Avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bed to sleep better. Step 12. Sleep. Try to sleep by 10 p.m. Good sleep equals good mood equals great summer. So now it's time to have a bonus tip. Create a weekly goal jar. Make a goal jar with small weekly goals, like bake a cake, finish 1 book, or learn 10 new words in Spanish. Draw one every Sunday, that will help you to make more productive plans. Summer is the best time to grow, explore, and relax, all at the same time. Sun with face. Which part of this routine are you most excited to try? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome videos like this.